Trust me, guys, learning computer science is easy. You can learn coding effortlessly. I am Shaji Philip, computer science teacher. I am in computer science teaching industry from last 20 years. Now, from the last 5 years, I am doing one-on-one special coaching for the special needs of the students. If you want to learn computer science from me, if you want to learn computer science with me, please reach me out. Thank you. My contact details are given below in the description box. It is a WhatsApp link. Click on the link. It will take you to your WhatsApp and just type hi to me. That's it. I will reach you out. Thank you.